Oh my God!
Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. It was really amazing to see that ice and the guys skating out there. They had a ton of fun, they said, and that was definitely a highlight for them and myself. Hopefully you liked the video and you guys will subscribe to my channel. Subscribe is up here. Also, you can like, comment, share the video, which I'd really appreciate. If you want to see some particular clip, give me a time code. I'll put up a 2-minute long unedited version of it. You can also see other videos over on these boxes here, as well as follow on social media. I'd really appreciate a follow. And again, you can write to me on any of those. Tell me what you want to see, what you'd like to see more, what kind of sports you'd like to see. Give me some feedback and I'll, I'm a man of the people. So hopefully you enjoyed it and we'll see you soon.